Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on Pinterest. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Pinterest and you can click. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.